Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a workbook ready. Install Excel, sign in, and grant files access so your documents sync. Once done, connect your keyboard or Apple Pencil for faster input and tap to open the file from OneDrive or iCloud. Make sure autosave is enabled so changes are preserved. You'll now see the ribbon and sheets. Use two-finger scroll and pinch to zoom. This immediate setup prevents interruptions and places you right at the cell grid to begin editing. You'll focus on transforming data. Tap and drag to select, or hold Shift and use an external keyboard to extend selection. Then apply formatting from the Home tab: font, alignment, number formats, so values convey meaning. For calculations, type formulas directly and use auto-fill by dragging the handle. Lock references with the $sign for stable formulas. Once formatted, insert charts or tables from the Insert menu to visualize trends. Make sure to test calculations on You finish by validating. Freeze panes to inspect headers, protect the sheet if needed, and run a quick scan of formulas and charts for accuracy. Once satisfied, export as PDF or share the workbook through OneDrive, Mail, or AirDrop. Save a backup copy locally if offline edits are likely. If something goes wrong, sync error, missing formulas, force close Excel, ensure network access, re-sign into your account, and reopen the file. Often this restores the latest version and clears transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.